Hi friends, welcome to Car Viewer Versatiles channel. For a change, today we are going to watch such interesting video. Yeah, this is Coolwinks sunglass unboxing. Um, I got this sunglass from one offer from PhonePe app. I had just paid rupees 384 only. Okay, so many varieties, that is types, that is aviator sunglass, square sunglass, then wrap around sunglass, club master sunglass. Nice packing, also very good. I didn't expect this type of packing. Yeah, nice. Then something coupon is inside from midlife. Inside the pouch, one wiping cloth is there with brand Coolwinks. Then packing also very good. Inside one wraps something. Yeah, what I received is Club Master sunglass. What I ordered. Yeah, quality is good. Thanks to Coolwinks.